Hello and welcome to Arogya Vidya, your guide to feel, heal and nourish. Banana flowers are extremely healthy for relieving menstrual problems, kidney problems, diabetes, anxiety and much more. This fiber-rich food is however not very popular these days due to its scarce availability and a bitter taste when cooked normally. But when made into a vada, even kids will love eating it. It also has the added health benefits of spices. Before we move on to the recipe, click the subscribe and bell next to it to stay updated about my new videos. The ingredients for this recipe are 3/4 cup of chana dal, 2 handfuls of banana flowers, 3 red chilies, 2 cloves, 1 inch of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 3 garlic cloves, 1 inch ginger and 1/4 cup of roasted Bengal gram. First, wash the chana dal once or twice. Then soak it in enough water for around 1 hour. Don't soak it for more than 1.5 hours. Next, in a bowl of water, mix turmeric powder, salt and curd. Now clean the banana flowers as shown in the video. Remove the hard stick-like thing in the middle and the outer transparent layer from the banana flowers. Cooking with these intact makes the banana flowers indigestible and can lead to stomachache. After cleaning the banana flowers, put them in the bowl of water that we prepared earlier. Doing this cleans the banana flowers and prevents them from turning black and bitter. To a mixie grinder, add red chilies, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, cloves, cinnamon, ginger, garlic and roasted Bengal gram. Grind them for a minute or so till they are powdered. Meanwhile, drain the soaked chana dal using a colander. Let the chana dal sit in the colander till all the water has drained. Now, coarsely grind this chana dal along with some salt in a mixie. To this, add the banana flowers and the powdered ingredients. Grind all the ingredients till you get a coarse mixture. Transfer this mixture to a bowl and mix it well using your hand. Add some chopped onions and coriander leaves and mix it again. Your vada dough is now ready. So, heat oil in a pan. I am using wood pressed groundnut oil here. While the oil heats up, make even-sized balls out of the vada mixture and lightly flatten them between your palms. To check if the oil is hot enough, drop a small ball of vada mixture into the oil. If the ball starts floating on top instantly, then your oil is ready for frying. Slowly slip the flattened vada mixtures into the oil. Fry them on a medium flame till both sides are slightly golden and then remove them from the oil. Once they have slightly cooled down, fry them again till they are completely cooked and golden brown in color. Frying them twice ensures they become crispy, crunchy and nicely golden. Repeat this process with the rest of the vada mixture. This recipe makes around 12 vadas. Serve this vada as a side dish with rice or eat it as is. Enjoy! That's all for today. Like and share this video with your loved ones if you found it useful. Thanks for watching. Eat healthy, stay happy. Bye.